I help artists and hobbyists turn their passions into business, just like I did with my passion for balloon twisting. So every week I like to do a free balloon animal tutorial, and this week we are finally diving into the FORTNITE balloon craze. So I've never actually played FORTNITE, but there are balloon animals in FORTNITE. There's a llama and a pickaxe and this bus thing, and so I have to do it. So we're gonna do the pickaxe today, and my YouTube channel members are getting the full tutorial for this bad boy over in the members only area. It's only $4.99 a month, so what are you waiting for? Join today. You'll get the full tutorial instructions for the awesome balloon llama featured in FORTNITE. You're supposed to wear it as a backpack in the game. We're just making it as something cool to hold on to. But for you guys today, we are doing the pickaxe, which is so super cool because it's got one of my favorite colors, neon pink. I love this color. And we're also going to be using neon green. So very, very bright balloon. And I have fully inflated both of these all the way to the end. Okay, and we're actually going to start twisting these from the end so you get the nice smooth ends at the very end of the pickaxe. So however long you want each side of your pickaxe to be, that's where we're going to start twisting these. So I'm going to come in about a foot or so and just twist them both together. Now you're going to need to put one pinch twist at least. If you're giving this to like some rambunctious kids, I would maybe do 2 pinch twists here at the top. But if you're just making it for yourself to look cool or to play with at home, then 1 pinch twist there on the top is going to be fine. So I've kind of curved both ends of those over to give it that pickaxe shape. And then I've got the rest of my balloons coming down, ready to go into a spiral. So the spiral part of this, if you've never seen a spiral before, I will link to a video that explains how to do it. And just basically spiral your balloons. Now we don't want to spiral them too far down. It's just sort of a nice little twisty top part, and then just line everything up right. So now you're kind of seeing the resemblance to the pickaxe in the game. Now at this point we do have to do 2 pinch twists. So I'm just going to do one on each color, just small round bubble, and make it a pinch twist. And same thing on the other side with the green, the small round bubble, and you get a pinch twist. So once you've got your 2 pinch twists there, we're done with the rest of this green one. You can cut it off. And if you're good at saving the remainder of your balloon, you can use the rest of this for the little bottom part. Or you can just twist in another balloon, whatever you're more comfortable with. So I'm just going to tie this off and save it so I have it when I'm ready to go into the bottom of this. So if you're in a line work, really fast, super speed twisting operation, you can be done at this point. Just leave your pickaxe like this. It's got nice clean ends, and pretty much no one is really going to notice too much about the bottom. But if you want to go that extra step, you can add a little neon green round ball at the bottom to be very much like how it looks in the game. Or you can add on a scrap piece of balloon, which I'm going to do today, so that this will stay truly a 2 balloon figure. And just tie that on to the end of your pickaxe. And from here you can really decide how you want this to go. I'm going to do 2 pinch twists and a loop because I think that looks pretty good from the experiments I've done playing around with this design. So I've got 2 little pinch twists there, and then I'm just going to turn the rest of this into a big loop. So there we've got like a nice little ending point on our staff pickaxe balloon. So now most parents are going to be like, what the heck is that? What is it? But any kid you give this to, or if they see it on your menu, which by the way, we do have clip art available for this design to put on your menus, they're going to know what this is right away, and they're going to think you're the coolest balloon twister ever for even knowing what FORTNITE is, because they probably are tired of explaining it to adults. So Grab the clip art for this, throw it on your menu this weekend, go out to your parties, look like a hero to all the kids that you come in contact with. And if you really want to look like a rock star, don't forget to join the YouTube channel members for my channel and grab the free llama tutorial that you guys get this week just for being a member of mine. And of course, we've got clip art available for this one too. So that's it for this week's tutorial. I hope you guys really like these two Fortnite options, and I hope you'll especially throw this one on your line work menus because it's really fast and you're really gonna please a lot of your little clients and customers. So I'll see you guys over in the members area. I'll be throwing up the clip art for these free for my members this week, so make sure to go grab those and download them if you're not a member yet. Definitely check it out using the link in the description below and see if that's something that you might enjoy too. And of course, I'd love to see some pictures on Facebook. Definitely tag me. I'll see you guys next week for another free balloon animal tutorial right here, same time, same place for Tutorial Tuesday. Have a great week, everyone. Bye-bye.